morning, midday, evening. I wasn't planning on filming actually. This is more of a family trip in Greece, Kos, on the island Kos. But when I got here, I just had to show it to you. So we're in the mountains of Lili, I think it's called. There are goats here, there are ruins here, forests, greens, mountains, grass flowing in the wind. This is my jam. This is really my jam. So yeah, come with me. This is unbelievable. I hope I can put it on camera. I'm really glad that I actually took my drone with me. I mean, most of the countries you cannot fly, and there's strict rules here in Greece as well, but I know them on top of my head. So, without further ado, let's fly up that drone. Let's look up the area. Might have been very short, but I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you another day. See ya. Fade out.